So I've run some tests on this prompt, and I think it is the fastest way for you to integrate your writing style into ChatGPT. So I have the prompt here with me, and I'm going to show you within 5 minutes how you can get ChatGPT to just start adapting to your writing style without having to go back and forth with prompting it. So here I have a prompt, and it says, I need you to run a deep stylistic analysis of my writing style. Loop through a systematic chain of thought to grasp an understanding of how I write. Use multiple steps in a way that would be easily interpretable for an LLM to simulate. Right? So I have a writing style here. This is my original writing style. And I've just added one snippet of my writing style. I would, however, recommend to put at least 3, if not 4 snippets of your writing style. So that means either one LinkedIn post, one blog, one newsletter, one email campaign, and even go so far to title it like email campaign writing style, email _ campaign _ writing _ style. Kind of like how I've added the writing style section here. Like you can see over here, it's not just writing style, but I've added these delimiters because it helps the LLM to know what to work with. And it helps an LLM to parse the instruction better, right? It just helps it break it up into sections. Okay, so we have that prompt that's gone in, and here's what ChatGPT returned back. It provided a step-by-step breakdown of my writing style, and it also updated the memory automatically, right? And that is the key what we're pushing for. We want to embed the writing style into ChatGPT's memory so that anytime you ask it to write marketing content, it already knows which style to refer. So over here, you can see voice and tone. It pulled my sentence structure. It pulled my pacing and rhythm, chain of thought progression, narrative technique, thematic anchors. And so that's why I'd recommend to put multiple content pieces, because it can pull themes that you constantly write about, language techniques, structural patterns, and then finally guidelines for LLM, right? Now, after it provided this analysis for me, I then gave it a prompt and I said, okay, I want you to embed the style into your memory anytime I ask you to write marketing content. And then I asked it, write me a sample blog, and it wrote me a sample blog that's pretty much spot on. This is exactly how I write LinkedIn posts, right? And so it adapted to it really, really well. What we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna open a new chat, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT right off the bat. Okay, write me a post about US EU tariff deal for LinkedIn, right? And let's see if it. Okay, so didn't really adapt to my writing style. It just produced a summary. But what I wanted to say is, okay, use my writing style. There you go. That's pretty good. So I think it does require that extra prompt. Is to say, okay, write me a post on US EU tariff deal. Use my writing style. I think that's what we want to append in that first prompt, so we just get the response right off the bat. So there we go. Adapt it to my style pretty quickly. Really good, really good. I'm attaching the prompts here in this newsletter, and enjoy.